So recently we have a new feature release regarding the vital section. So there is a little revamp in the vital section. So previously it was few elements were fixed. Okay, so now we can customize the vital section. So how we can do it? Okay, so I can just let me just go in a one patient. So the patient name is Dinesh K. Okay, or so here a staff can add the vitals, or a doctor, junior doctor can also add the vitals for the doctors. So how they can do it? They can just simply go in the start visit. Once they just click on start visit, so this is how it opens up, guys. Okay, so let me just put it like this: patient doesn't have any known medical history. I'll just close it and it will close down. Yeah. So here you can see there are some few vital section. So for you guys, if a doctor, he will have somewhere around 11 elements present on the screen. Okay, so on the right side there is an option called as configure. Okay, so for an example, for a doctor, if vitals is not visible, they can just simply go in on the top, on the right side you can see configure your pad, click on that, and you have to enable this vitals. Okay, so if you enable this vitals, that will come onto your screen. So let me just for now, it is already enabled, so I will just click on cancel and it will be done. Yeah. So now I want to configure. So as I am a cardiologist, a demo cardiologist, I will just click on configure button, and I want the relevant things to come on my screen. Okay, so for now let me just delete all those things. So how I can add it? Okay, so once yeah, so as a cardiologist I can put few parameters. So suppose I want to measure like blood pressure. I want blood pressure to come on my screen. I'll just select that, it will be added. I want to know the pulse rate of a patient, like, okay, I'll just select that also. I want to know a patient's height and weight also, so I'll just select body height. And I want to know weight also, body weight. And if I want to know any other parameters also, okay, I can also put it like BMI also, I need it. And I need also uh, suppose SpO2 also. Okay, I can just add that as well. Okay, so I have added somewhere around cell 6 elements, and I will just click on save changes. Yes, it's done. Yeah. So once I just click on save, so you can see I will just remove this. So 6 elements have come up. Okay, here. So now suppose a doctor wants to add or a staff wants to add a pulse rate, they can just simply tap on that and they can enter. So the pulse rate is suppose 110. It's pretty high. Okay, so now I can just click on peripheral oxygen. So it's 97. Blood pressure, I'm putting it, just they have, doctor needs to tap on that. So the blood pressure is somewhere around 140 by 90. It's little high. And I will just go to body weight. So it's 168. Height is 168 centimeters. Weight is 87. Okay, so BMI also auto gets calculated as well. So here a doctor can configure based upon his practice. Suppose if any diabetologist is there, so they look for blood pressure, or they also look for something like sugar level also, FBS. And they want to measure other parameters, so they can also add accordingly. Okay, so if any doctor wants to know temperature, so they can put it. So it is completely customizable, guys. So a doctor can configure his vitals on like what all he needs on the system, and he can do it. Okay, so that's it, the vital section. So as staff, if he is entering, he can simply click on push updates, or a junior doctor, they can click on push updates, and that will completely reflect on the doctor's screen. Yeah, so this interface is not similar like in the mobile version. It is completely designed for the web version right now. Okay, so that's it, guys.